So is the DJI RC Pro worth it after 6 months? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Anthony and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the DJI RC Pro. Now, when I got this remote a few months back, I made a video basically going over it and comparing it to the DJI RC N1, which is the new remote controller without a screen that relies on your phone. I've had 6 months with the remote and I've used it on a number of jobs and just flying in general. The best part of it is that it's a DJI product and it is something that pairs really well with the drone. And honestly, it takes the flying experience to a different level. It's got a beautiful ultra bright built-in display that is 5.5 inches, full HD, and it's inspired by the DJI Crystal Sky technology. The built-in display is ultra bright even in direct sunlight, and this is definitely where smartphones struggle 100%. This has honestly solved that issue for me, which is great. Another thing that would happen with my iPhone is it would get really hot and the screen would get really dim. So that also has helped with that. The RC Pro features OcuSync 3 Plus support. So with the Mavic 3, you can actually fly almost 9.5 mile radius, which is really unheard of. And it'll also transmit full HD video the whole entire time. So with this remote, I've had no issues at all with losing connection to my drone. It honestly has been just perfect every time I use the drone. It also has Android integration, which is one of the best parts of it because you're able to do screen recording and manage the files right there on the remote control. It's like having basically an Android tablet. You can also do web browsing, social media, and third-party app installation if you would like to do that. So the remote itself does bring a lot of advantages in that arena. And honestly, it was built very durably. The design quality is very nice. It's big, it's robust, it's heavy duty. It's also compact, which makes it easy to travel with, and it's very comfortable to hold. So it'll be able to withstand the elements for sure. Some of the exact temperatures that it can withstand is from -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. So it's great for snow or desert conditions. So overall, is this controller worth it after 6 months? And without any hesitation, yes. This controller is totally worth it. It is definitely expensive, but once you have it, it makes your flying experience with the Mavic 3, with the Mini 3 Pro, with the Air 2S just unbelievably perfect. And honestly, it has made my whole entire experience flying my drone just so much better and less stressful. When I was relying on my phone, there were so many different issues with that, and I just really wanted to get rid of the phone altogether, so this was a great option to do that. But yeah, that is basically my take on the DJI RC Pro. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. If anybody from DJI happens to watch this video, it would be super cool if the remote could work with older drones too. I don't know if that's even possible, but like that would be really cool if I could pair it to the Mavic 2, you know, if I ever needed to fly that. Anyway guys, that is it for this one. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. But I'll see you guys in the next video.